Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today let's analyze NIO's price action. As I told you guys last Friday, yes, NIO did an exhaustion bar last Friday just above a crystal clear support level made by this black line down here, which I'm gonna change the color to red to not confuse anyone. So we just hit this red line over here, this crystal clear support level. We did an exhaustion bar, and right now we are going up. This is not a big surprise to us here in this channel, but NIO is doing many technical movements, which I believe it is worth to mention in this video as well. First, my dear friends, remember, click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I'm here every single day, keeping you guys updated on what's the best regarding price action and technical analysis. Now, I almost broke my computer, I'm so sorry. Now, back to NIO. I told you guys last Friday, this is an exhaustion bar. Why did I say this? Because we had a very strong bearish candlestick pattern over here with relatively high volume, but this pattern appeared just after the bearish movement was already materialized. So it is not like we have a sell-off over here, because no one is going to sell near a support level. If you were to sell, you're gonna sell at the $22, right? This is a much more intelligent way of how to proceed in this market, right? Why would you sell in a crystal clear support level? So it is an exhaustion bar. And by the way, the $22 gave us a very nice sell sign, and I told you guys about the sell sign on our newsletter. Remember, my dear friends, check my website. The link is in the description. If you want to trade with me, if you want to trade with a consistent swing trader that can consistently beat the market with a transparent performance since 2021, subscribe to my newsletters. I think you guys are going to appreciate what I have to offer to you. Now, selling at 22, okay, it is a good idea. Selling at $11, not so much in my humble opinion. Now, we see this exhaustion bar just at a support level, and today we are going up nearly 4%. Okay, this is great. However, the situation is still quite delicate. I believe Tesla's earning might enhance the volatility on NIO as well. Tesla earnings is this Wednesday, and the situation is not completely bullish yet. In order to see more confirmation about the bullish reaction, beyond the idea of this exhaustion bar, what is important for us to see? What are the key points that NIO must break in order to reverse the trend in the short and mid-term? First, in the 1 hour chart, we are kind of doing this, right? See, a higher low right now. If NIO does a higher high, it is going to trigger a bullish pivot point. What do you mean by doing a higher high, Nathan? I mean by breaking $12.63 over here. If NIO breaks 2.63, it is going to trigger a bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart, and this is something it has to do in order to reverse the bear trend in the short term. We gotta break this 21 EMA, we gotta break the previous resistance, and by doing so, in my humble opinion, NIO will have decent chances of breaking the 13.18, which is another key point because it is the exhaustion bar's high, 13.18. Okay, this blue line up here, I'm gonna change the color to blue to not confuse anyone. It gotta break this blue line over here. So by triggering a pivot point in the 1 hour chart, I believe NIO is going to break the 13.18 in the daily chart, confirming a mid-term reversal. With a mid-term reversal, I do believe the next target is the previous support area, which is around 15.86. So yes, would be a very nice trade. We had a very nice bull run ahead of us. Nearly 20%, it feels like it is not much, but 20%, to me, I am quite happy earning 20% in a few days swing trading, right? So this makes sense to me. If this makes sense to you, keep your eyes open at 13.18. Now, what could completely frustrate this bullish thesis of yours, Nathan, if NIO loses 11.73? Last Friday, we hit 11.73 with an astonishing precision, but today we are bouncing back up. So this support level is working nicely for NIO. Clearly, people are buying in this area. But if we lose this point, probably the buyers will get stopped out, and we may see an acceleration of the bearish sentiment, and there is no other meaningful support level for us to work with on NIO in the midterm, except for the $6, $7 maybe. So that would be relatively catastrophic on NIO. So 11.73. This is the key point that would completely frustrate this bullish thesis we are building in this channel. Otherwise, I believe we're gonna bounce back up. I believe we're gonna retest the 15.86 again, or even above that price level. But for now, let's keep your eyes open at 13.18 in the short term. And when we break this point, I will keep you guys updated in this channel as usual. So seriously, if you are still watching this video and you are not my subscriber yet, I think it is about time for you to subscribe this channel and subscribe to my newsletters. Come on, trade with me. We are doing very, very, very well recently, even in such a horrible year like 2022, we are performing amazingly well. I think you guys are going to enjoy my services to you. Thank you very much, my dear friends, for your audience. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow. Farewell.